made in Pennsylvania, but then it lived in Chicago, and it had a old history. We found old Pennsylvania wood crates in it, but it was dilapidated and had been sitting with a broken axle for maybe 40 years. So it was probably retired around 1960, and then that's the condition. The previous owner bought it in 2000 and painted it, and could never get it running because the rear end was broken. And so we couldn't source a rear end, so my brother had to weld the rear end, and we converted it from 6-volt to 12-volt. But it's a 26 Dodge Brothers, and then it's all wood canopy, all hand made, and that's about it. It says Dodge Brothers truck. Yeah, it says DB on the hubcaps. And
I know about the Dodge Brothers. Well, started Dodge.
Yeah, so it's not completely 100% original. It's got a 29 motor. It's got the wrong headlamps on it, but my mom actually, she's right here. She did the top, you know, and we've had it touched up. She put the vinyl top. She reupholstered the inside. And then I've done all the detail.
How about the coffin? You have to buy that coffin?
No, it came with it. It's a prop coffin. I'm not sure if it's real.
Right.
And then my mom made.
Look at you. All right, so what can you tell me about this coffin?
Oh, this coffin?
Just kidding.
Well, originally it was a
tell me
coffin.
Tell me about your car, actually.
So it's 1970 Imperial Cadillac. So for the most part, a lot of the trim is going to be the original 1970 trim. Some things are going to have to get replaced or redone, so we have this here. It has a Tiki bar on the inside. We have 2 seats, so we can drive around and drink and have
Tiki
fun.
bar?
You come back afterwards, it's going to be worth it. But yes.
It's named the Reaper?
That's the handle for it. It's named after my friend who passed away recently. So he was in a motorcycle club, passed away. So this is in honor of him. He's helped me work on it. Passed away before we can finish it. So it's in honor of him. But yeah, it has 68,000 original miles on it, or 472 cubic engine. So she'll do what she needs to do.
Gotcha. Thank you so much.
Of course.
This one's different. This is you guys' car?
Yes.
What can you tell me about this one?
It's a 72 and it came from Michigan.
Okay.
And so that's why she's so rusty.
But it runs good?
It runs. It runs really well, and it's a Cadillac, so it's fun to ride.
And you're just going to restore it? Next year will be
Yeah, we worked on it a little bit.
a little bit more?
Yeah, exactly.
Sounds good. Did it come with the coffin? Since you're dressed up, can I record you? Does it have a name?
Her name is Adele.
And your name?
My name is Jill.
And do you guys have an Instagram for if they want to see the restoration process? Maybe that's something you might want to
Okay.
look into.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
What the hell? Trash under a light. A glow in the dark Kit Kat, huh? I'm gonna take two just. Oh, what is this? Glow in the dark Reese's Pieces. What? Get your glow in the dark candy. They got glow in the dark chocolate. You're good, you're good.
exactly. Right?
Here's a newer one.
Oh, candy right here.
There's candy on the thing up there. Yeah, what can you get? What can you get?
I don't know. Okay, so I got the Reese's, but if they got some Whoppers,
Okay, you like my favorite. Hey, what are you doing here? The protector. Nope. Not interested. Whoa. Someone's still alive. Not dead yet. What's up, doggy? You got snacks and everything.
Actually, my brother's.
Your brother?
Yeah.
Where's your brother?
He's over by the street. Yeah.
Alright, so what can you tell me about this car? Besides it being your brother's. Wait, what we got over here,
It's a 75.
huh? Girls and corpse, huh?
It's from Pennsylvania. He's had it for a couple years. Go after the herd before.
Cool, I never... Well, now they have vans that do it, but
Do they?
I've never seen an older...
Yeah, it's
Yes, sir. see what kind of candy these guys got. All right. One of each. Gracias, señor. Nos van a tener gorditos aquí. Favorite part. What do you think about your team, huh? The Rams. How you doing?
Rams, yes.
How'd you come up with that cool, the last cruise, huh?
Lowriders Cruise. And since I'll be using it for services, it'll be people's last cruise, you know?
I know, it was pretty smart.
So
it's a very good name.
I'm out in Ventura County, and the lowrider community is pretty big out there.
Okay.
So I use it.
What can you tell me about the Hearse itself?
The Hearse itself is, I got it from Chicago. So it came out of Illinois, and I've had it for like about 3 months. From what I understand, it was a custom order build. It was a custom order in 95 as a 96 model. And it's a low roof. That's what kind of sets it apart. Most Hearses have that like bubble top. This is a low roof, which they call a Victorian model, built by S&S. And has a pull-out table. So come out this way. Mahogany touches inside.
Yeah, very nice inside.
No partition. So most Hearses have a glass separating the driver from the casket. This one was custom ordered without.
So if it wakes up, it's gonna grab you. Oh no.
So
¿Cuánto te costó?
it was about 10,000.
And you're putting it into service, you said?
Yeah. So
With a helper?
yeah, the last cruise on Instagram, last cruise
me
at
get that again.
yahoo.com.
The underscore
Last,
Does the
there's a
last-
missing underscore.
last and then underscore cruise.
Yeah.
Gotcha. All right, man. Thank you.
Yeah. Gracias.
So what's the name of the actual car? Do you have a name for it yet?
No, it's just called the last cruise. We'll
Yes. Okay.
keep it as that. It's on AccuAir, air management, airbag.
All right.
Yeah.
Cool. Thank you.
Yeah. Thank you.
I'm gonna tag you when I put it on my YouTube so you can follow.
Oh. Yeah.
I'll tag you.
Grab a card. I have cards right there in the front. There's all my information right there.
All right. Cool. I will.
Thank you.
Está bien bajito. All right, there's all information here, but where's the candy?
Hey, there's no more.
Just kidding.
Sorry for the kiddos.
Wow, guys, take a shower.
Yeah, go ahead.
No.
Well, you're not gonna need this for many years, but you can take a card.
That's Sebastian and Chad's baby.
Ese se quemó. Barbecue.
Excuse us. So sorry.
Here you go.
Are you gonna go back there? I am.
Oh, this might give you nightmares. You'll see. You'll see. Alright guys, there you go. This is the funeral Hearst Car Show.